Hello guys, this is another interesting one. We are going to talk about how to install and connect your Monday to your workflows. So Monday is basically a task management system that you can connect now with workflows from GHL plugin. So you just need to go through the steps I'm going to give you and do the installation and connection. Then everything will be ready to go. So let's go. Now you need to connect to your GHL plugins account. When in you go to workflow app. Under workflow apps, now you go to available apps and you can search for Monday. So I have installed that already. That's why I'm on the installed apps tab. So you can search on the available apps tab and you search for Monday. When in there, you click on the app. It's going to pop up a new tab that would ask you to select the agency. So you select your agency and you allow access to all of this. Then you click on proceed. When you click on proceed, the installation has been done. So now we need to go into our account, our agency or sub account in on GHL and complete the connection. So how do we complete this connection? If this is the first app, you would need to follow the steps in order to grab the custom menu link and create it on GHL agency. If this isn't your first app already, then you can skip this step and go directly to your sub account, and on your custom menu you can click that and you proceed with the installation steps that will follow after this one. So how do we get the custom menu link on our GHL agency? You need to click on this, you copy, you go to your GHL agency, you switch to the agency view, you go to settings and you go to custom menu link. In here, you click on the create new button, you select an icon, you enter the title and you paste in the link that we copied earlier. You select the preferred settings here and you save. So that is how you create a custom menu link. When that's done, you just need to switch back to your sub account. You search for the custom menu link that you've added. When that opens, so for those who had already installed their custom menu link, you continue from here by going to your custom menu link here and you're going to available apps. So under available apps, you're going to search for Monday. I have connected already, so I'm going to search under the connected apps. So it's pretty easy to get your Monday app connected. You just need to click and it demands you enter your API key. How do you get your API key? You just need to log into your Monday app. When you log into your Monday app, you click here on your profile. It's going to pop up. You go to administration. Under administration, you can go to connection, API, and here you can copy your API key from here. So when you get your API key, you come back to GHL account, you paste it and you submit, and that your connection has been done. So all setups have been done already. Now what's left is just going into a workflow and start using your Monday service actions. So how do you get this used? You just need to go into your workflow, your regular workflow setup. You have your trigger setup, maybe a pipeline stage changed, or maybe a tag added to a contact, whatsoever be your trigger. You can add now the various actions that you can see on the Monday service by scrolling down. So you scroll and look for the Monday service. So I'm going to search like this Monday. I'll take the other one. So make sure you take the Monday service. Now, these are the various actions you can go under the Monday service. You can create a board, you can create a workspace, you can add a user in the board, you can add user in the workspace, you can delete a user, you can delete a board, you can delete the workspace. So those are the various actions you can attack on Monday app just right from your workflow actions. So you can see them listed here, very pretty easy. And yeah, so to create a bot, you just need to put in the bot name and you select the bot kind. You save, that action is done. So pretty easy. When you're done with your setup, you're ready to go. If you have any issues setting this up, you can let us know and we'll be happy to help you out. So see you next.